In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the DoorDash login error on your mobile phone. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few different ways how you can fix this issue. So the first way is to go to your Player App Store and search for DoorDash and make sure DoorDash is updated to the latest version. So I'll go ahead and do DoorDash here. And now if it's updated to the latest version, it will say open next to DoorDash. But if it says update, go ahead and update and see if that fixes your login issues. The second method is to once click on DoorDash, click and hold, and then click on the eye next to the DoorDash to bring up the app info. And then from here, scroll down and click onto storage. And then you want to go ahead and clear cache and then go back and see if you can log in. If that doesn't work, simply delete the DoorDash app from your mobile device and reinstall it. And the last and final method is if it just simply restart your phone, because that does fix app errors or login errors as well. Hopefully this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.